Living in America is getting more expensive by the day, and right now, one of your biggest hidden expenses is actually your drinking water. The average American household spends hundreds of dollars every single year just on plastic bottles and those overpriced filter replacements. But what if I told you that you can get that exact same active filtration technology with a $5 DIY setup that the big brands use? Today I'm not showing you some magic trick, I'm showing you centuries-old science that can become your ultimate money-saving hack in this age of inflation. In this video, we're going to build a survival filter that works for emergencies, off-grid living, or camping trips, all for under $5. Right now, many cities across the US are dealing with hard water issues. It makes tap water taste metallic and forced millions of people to buy expensive bottled water just to stay hydrated. But the solution isn't a $500 machine, it's a tiny item you can find at almost any science or hardware store. The way you build this filter is incredibly simple, but the science behind it is pretty deep. All we need is an empty food-grade container, some clean sand to stop the dirt, and that activated charcoal to catch the microscopic impurities. It's all about the order of the layers. When you layer these charcoal on the bottom, then sand, and fine gravel on top, you're actually creating a natural sedimentation system. In scientific terms, this is called adsorption. As the dirty or bad-tasting water passes through these layers, the charcoal literally pulls the odors and common impurities right out of it. Let's check out a quick demo. Watch closely as we pour this murky, bad-smelling water into our $5 setup. Look at how it clears up the color and kills the smell in minutes. It comes out crystal clear, and the total cost of materials here was less than a fancy latte. Now keep in mind, this filter is perfect for emergency use and improving taste, but if there's a risk of bacteria in your source, you should always boil your water first. This hack is a total lifesaver for people who like living off-grid, or anyone just looking to slash their monthly grocery bill. In today's economy, it's these little hacks that keep the weight off our wallets. This $5 investment can save you from a year's worth of overpriced plastic bottles. That's not just great for your bank account. It's better for the environment because you aren't tossing hundreds of plastic jugs into the trash. If you found this practical, scientific solution helpful, share it with your friends who are tired of getting ripped off by filter replacements. In my next video, I'll show you another cheap DIY project to help lower your utility bills even more. Don't forget to subscribe Life Explains, and I'll see you in the next one.